All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use these manual controls on your Black & Decker 8000 BTU portable AC. First of all, you've got to turn it on. To turn it on, you're going to come to the universal power signal and just click it. And it's going to take a couple seconds for it to really kick in. If you look here, you've got an up and a down arrow. If I press this, it goes down in temperature. I've got it set at Fahrenheit. Now if I press this, it'll go up in temperature, okay? Here is the fan. This is high, medium, low, and auto. All right, so I can change it by clicking this. Now it's on auto, and that means that the motherboard, or the brain of the thing, is going to tell you whether it's going to go low, medium, or high. If I click here, it's low. It takes a second for it to kick in. You hear it? Let me do it again. This is medium. It should pop up a little bit. There you go. And then that's high. All right? Now over here you've got modes. Right now we're in AC. We're cooling. But if I click this, that is dehumidifying, DH, right? If I click it again, that's only the fan. You see there? And then if I click it again, the little snowflake is cooling. And that's pretty much that. Over here is a timer, and that's a little bit more advanced. If you go into your manual, it'll tell you how to time it. But when you're using something like this, I think it's better just to set the temperature and just let it ride. I think that's the best way to do it. I mean, if you're using this all the time, then you really need to get a mini split or an actual real AC in your house. Anyway, that's how you use the manual controls. Turn it off, you just click here. Now it gives you a 20-second countdown usually, but it turned right off that time. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.